in the name of Lord most mighty and most merciful. So in this video, we are going to create calculator, but different one. So there are two type of calculator. There is the one calculator with the numbers, and there is second one with not any number, where we have to write and have to get the answer. So how? You have to minimize it. Now we are going to I am going to create a folder. Left click here, and you have to click to the new folder and then JavaScript cal. I will open it with my code, that is VS Code. You can use any other one too, but I am using VS Code. So I will wait. This is my server where I am going to see my live server, and my VS Code is opening. So I will wait for opening and I will watch what will happen. I will create the calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So that will be not hard, the easy one, and learn and know how to create the calculator. So if you hadn't seen my previous videos, I am telling you about creating the button one. So first you have to write here. Wait for it. Create an index.html. I am not standing now because of the word is of JavaScript. So how we are going to do it? So I am going to write here the doc type. You can see here what I am typing, and I will write all of it, and then I will show you what I have written. As you can see, prompt second one, and then B, and then there will be C. I will create here an condition of if and else. I will write here else and if. Wait, okay. If there will be the if. In condition, I will write here A equal to like any number. A is like if the condition of B equal to plus. If the condition of B is plus. So what you have to do? You have to write here the code of let D equal to wait, I will write here alert A plus B. Save it. Now we are going to see it. It's go live. If it's living, I want to see it live. I had opened it. So here, and I am going to console .log A, B and C. Wait, why it's not showing us? That I will name and then name I am going to write here A. Save it. Wait, why it's not giving us? Let A equal to prompt A. That we will see. I will change the inspect what is happening here. Go to the console. There is an error of A. What is an error? There is an error. Okay. Enter. The value is 12. Okay. Enter the operator. Plus. Okay. Why the second value is not come? Enter 2. Wait, I will refresh it. The digit is 1 and then operator is plus. So alert with wait. Why the alert is not kept? Equal to B, save it. Wait. 11 plus 12. Okay, answer is 12. Okay. Here is it. Now the same condition I am going to write here. Else duplicate it, minus it, else divide it, I will see it, or multiply. Not control Z. Okay, we have to create all of them. What if? Duplicate it. If it minus. Save it. Now we are going to. First, I am going to value 12. And then operator minus. Value 12, nan. Okay. So, why it's coming nan? I will see here 12 operator minus 12 then wait, refresh it 12 values 12 minus 90 then it's showing us nan. Why it's showing us nan? I will see if else or else if why there is not even there is it. Okay, there is it. Now I will give them first the condition. The condition is A equal B equal to B dot value equal to what? Plus. So that have to show us what? A plus B. If I show you now, refresh it. Value 12. Value 12. The operator is plus. Value 12. Wait. Value is 12. Okay. Operator is plus. Okay. The value is 12. Okay, but why it's showing us now? Alert A minus. I will finish it. Alert B, or like I will create a P hash A, and I will call there document dot get element by the ID. What is the ID? ID is A dot inner HTML equal to A dot value plus C dot value like this. Save it. Now we will see. Digit is 12, operator is plus, second digit is 12. It's showing us console is not. Why it's showing us that the console is not defined? Else if. I had given it if. Okay, alerted. We had done C dot value. Control Z. I will see that that 12 minus 12 minus 12, there is minus. If I give it like 17 value, and then the value will be 12, but it's showing us minus. Okay, we have to do it what? C. Like that was the problem. C, value 12, operator is plus, value 12, 12, y plus equal to plus equal minus equal to, again refresh it, 12 values minus 12, 0. Okay, refresh it again, 12 minus not plus 12, 12. Here is an problem coming, and we do it like this. Save it, refresh it, 12 plus 12, 12. Why it's showing us 12, 12. Plus A plus. Wait, now the value is now 12. Okay, then I will take plus 12. Now why it's showing us 12, 12? Why? We have to see that one. So if I forward A plus B, the condition is coming now A plus B. Here if I do the same thing, wait first, duplicate it, you will see here, divide, and then multiply, like x, and then multiply. There is like 4, 7. We are watching it now. 12, like multiply 12 and 40. Okay, fine. Our calculator has made it. So how it works, I will show you. So first, if I refresh my page, okay, there will be wait. We have to finish it. Like enter 1, enter first number, and then second number. Okay, here I refresh it again. Wait, refresh it. That is showing. Wait. I hadn't had save it. Like this. Now I will show you how it works. So here, there is my first prompt by my page. If I call here like 12 and the first number is 12, okay. And what is your operator? My operator is like x equal to multiply. Okay. You have to give the second number. What is your second number? Second number is like 10 and the other is 100. Like this, our calculator works without button. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So get up my new videos and new content. So Allah Hafiz.